Hello students, today we are going to start the geometry chapter number 4, that is geometric construction. It has 7 marks for the board. So 1 marks will come in MCQ, either it will come for the 2 marks, that is tangent, draw the tangent, then we have 2 remaining questions. One is for the 3 marks or it will come for the 4 marks. There are only 2 exercises, 4.1 and 4.2. But today we are going to start the simplest one to draw the tangents. So now let's start how to draw the tangent. But first understand what is a tangent. Let's see. See, this is a circle, this is the center of circle, this is the radius. Okay, if any line passes through the one point of the circle, that line is called a tangent. It means L is a tangent of a circle. So we have a construction about the tangent. Now let's start with some examples. I'm going to start the sum number 1. Draw a circle whose radius is 3 centimeter and draw a tangent through the point P on a circle. This is the first one. It means you have to draw a circle whose radius is 3 centimeter. Then you have to take a point P on a circle, and from the P you have to draw a tangent. So let's draw the circle whose radius is 3 centimeter. So I am going to take the 3 centimeter. I am going to draw a circle. This is a circle which have a radius 3 centimeter. Okay. Now let me tell you the next point. What you have to do? After drawing the 3 centimeter circle, you have to draw a line through the center. Give the name, that line is L. Then you have to draw a tangent from here. So it means what you have to do? You have to put the point on this point here and then make the 2 arcs on both sides. Okay, so why I make both the arcs on both the sides? Because we have to make a segment here and then we can draw the perpendicular through the point. So put the point here, then take more than half, then make the arcs which is upper side and lower side, then again put the point on the arc and then draw again the 2 arcs, upper side and lower side, and then you have to join the arcs. This is your tangent. Draw the radius here which is 3 centimeter, center O, the point P is here which is perpendicular, so draw the 90 angle here. Now this is a correct diagram of the tangent which I have drawn from the point P which is on a circle. Let's start with the example number 2. Draw a circle with radius 3.3 cm. Draw a tangent to the circle without using the center of the circle. In first sum, what we used? Center of the circle. But the now condition is given without using the center of a circle. Now see the circle here I draw it, whose radius is 3.3 cm. Now how to draw without using the center of circle? You can take anywhere, any point. Suppose if I take the P point here, then I cannot use the center of circle. So for this, there is a simple idea. You have to draw a triangle. Don't take any measurements. You can draw it by any measurement. Okay. So here I draw a one triangle. Give the name A, B. Now, what you have to do? You have to draw a tangent to the point P. So for that, first step, put the point on A and make an arc here. So I made the arc here. Your distance should be same. Then you have to put the point on P and make arc here again. Okay. So I made the two arcs, which is made from A and then P. Okay. Now take the distance between these two arcs. I have taken the distance here and then put it here on this arc and make a cross here. So you get the intersect. Now join the intersect with the point P. So I am going to join this two. Then I will get a tangent. Okay. So this is a tangent. Give the name L. Either you can give the name by two letters also. So this is called a tangent through the point P without using the center of circle. And show here the radius 3.3 centimeter. Okay. Let's start with the example number 3. Again you have to draw the tangent, but the sum is different. Draw a circle with radius 3.4 cm. Draw a chord MN of 5 cm and draw tangents through the point M and N. So here is a one circle whose radius is 3.4 cm. Now what you have to draw? You have to draw a chord whose length is 5.7 cm. So here you have to take a one mark, give the name M to this one, and you have to take the 5.7 centimeter distance. I have taken the 5.7 centimeter distance here and make the arc here. So this is my 5.7 centimeter distance. Now I am going to join it. So I will get it, the chord 5.7. So this is the chord whose length is 5.7 centimeter. Okay. Now what they are saying that draw the tangents through the point M and N. Now observe where is M, which is on a circle, N again which is on a circle. So if the point lies on a circle, remember the one point. You have to draw a line through the center and that point. Remember, once again I am going to tell you, if the point lies on a circle, then you have to draw a line which is joining to the center and that point. So I am going to draw the line which is joining to the center and that point. So here I draw one line from this side. I am going to draw it. So this is my another line. Okay. Now what you have to do? You solve the first sum. Same for this one, we have to draw it. Put the point on M and make the two arcs on both the side. Here I draw the two arcs. So I will get the segment. So we can draw the perpendicular bisector of this segment. Yes. So put the point here. Take more than half. Then make the two arcs. Again here. Put it here. And make the arcs. So you will get it. The two arcs. Now join it. So you will get the tangent through the point M. Okay, here I am going to draw it. This is the tangent. Okay, now here I am going to draw from the point N. Same method you have to use it. Put the point on M, make the two arcs on both sides. So you will get the segment. Then put the point on that arc at more than half distance and make the two arcs. Again put it here, make the two arcs on both the sides, and then you have to join these two. So you get the tangent. Join it very clearly. So this is our another tangent. So now give the name. Here I am going to give the name L and this is M. Either you can give the name to the lines by two letters and show it. Its distance is 3.4 centimeter. Okay. Let's start with the sum number 4. Now read the sum. Sum is same as that of the sum number 3, but the condition is changed. Without using the center of circle. So draw a circle with the radius 3.4 centimeter. Draw a chord MN of 5.7 centimeter and draw tangents through the point M and N, but without using the center of circle. So I told you in the second sum how to draw without using the center of circle. So first you have to draw a chord. Here you have to draw the chord. So for that I am going to take the point M here. Now take the distance 5.7 centimeter and then make an arc here. Here I have taken the 5.7 centimeter. So now join it. This is 5.7 centimeter. Then how to draw without using the center? You have to draw a, yes, you are absolutely right, triangle. So I am going to draw any triangle. No need to take any measurements. Yes, this is my AMN triangle. Now, what you have to do? You have to make the arcs here. First, put the point on A, make any arc. Then put the point on N. Then make an arc here. Then put the point on M and again make the arc with the same distance. Don't change the distance. Okay? Now what you have to do? Take the distance between these two arcs. Put it here on the line and make the arcs here. Same. Put it on this line and make the arc. So you get the arcs. Now you have to join these arcs and that point. This arc with the point N, so you will get the tangent here. This is the tangent, and then again put the point. Here you will get the another tangent. Okay. Now what you have to do? Give the name L and M, and the distance, the radius of the circle is 3.4 centimeter. These are the two tangents without using the center of circle. Let's start with the example number 5. This is again a different sum. Draw a circle with a radius 3.3 centimeter. Take a point P at the distance 7.2 centimeter from the center of a circle and draw a tangent through the point P. Then what you have to do? You have to take the distance 7.2 centimeter from the center of circle. So I have drawn a one circle whose radius is 3.3 centimeter. Now I am going to take a 7.2 centimeter distance here. So here I have taken the distance 7.2 centimeter and this point is called a P. This distance is 7.2. Now you can show the radius is 3.3 centimeter. Now what you have to do? You have to draw the tangent through the point P. Now see the point P which is on outside the circle. Now remember, I am going to tell you the idea. If the point lies on a circle, then what you have to do? You have to join the line to the center of the circle and that point. Then draw the line. But if the point which is outside the circle, then you have to draw the perpendicular bisector of the line first. It means I have to draw the perpendicular bisector of segment OP. So put the point on O first, take more than half and make the two arcs. Then put the point on P and then again by the same distance you have to draw the arcs. Okay, here I draw the two arcs. Now join these arcs. So you get the perpendicular bisector. So this is the perpendicular bisector. And now what you have to do? You have to draw a circle which is passing through the perpendicular. Now put the point on this perpendicular point. Take the distance up to the P. See that it should be passed through the point P and the point O. If it is not passing, it means your perpendicular bisector is wrong. So now see, I am going to draw a circle who is passing through the point P and the point O. Here I am going to draw a total circle. See the circle? Now here it joins at the point here and here. So you have to draw the line through the point P and that intersection of the circle. Okay, so this is the one tangent and this will be the another one. What I have done? Join the point P and the intersection point. I am going to give the name A and B. These are the two tangents from the point P. It means if the point lies outside, you will get two tangents. Remember the 2 points. One, if the point lies on a circle, then what you have to do? You have to draw a segment which will pass in through the center and that point. And if the point lies outside the circle, then you have to draw the perpendicular bisector of that line first and then put the point here and draw another circle. Intersection of these two circles and that point, join it, then you will get the tangents. And without using the center of circle, what you have to do? You have to draw a triangle and from that you can draw the tangents. Thank you.